Hey lollipops,
Hello.
you're welcome into my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And this is my grandma. She's actually peeling yam. There's this soup that we want to make. It is called ose ane. Okay, this is the kind of soup that you make without cooking it. It's just on a mortar that we are going to do the whole of the process. Okay, so grandma is actually peeling the yam. Okay, so now let me show you our backyard once again. This is my sister-in-law. She's actually setting the fire. This soup goes too sweet though. Everybody's here waiting for the whole gangan to happen, to take place, you guys. So yeah, that's it. But is the fire catching?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's catching.
Okay.
I begin to
done peeling the yam. She insisted she was going to peel the yam herself, so I'm washing it inside the pot. Okay.
Bamboo is there at next. You need to come. Come out there. Come and sit down there. Enough.
Yam. Now I'm taking off the trash to the yam peel. Oh, if you judge me, come go for it. Okay. So now I'm getting rid of the full thing that we use. Okay? Grandma's almost not let you
play.
Yes, sir.
Woman, it does not cook in a dirty
Environment. Exactly.
well, so something that fell down, we can pick it.
Exactly.
Okay. Make use of it again.
Okay.
Now bring the water.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. I will get it.
Papa, go! She bought a very big fish that has a name, Eshi.
Yes.
Very big, very fine.
Yes, ma'am.
It's one of the famous fish
Exactly.
we used to know when we were very, very small.
Yes, ma'am. Is
Look
she
at it, very big.
It's nice, it's fine. It come out well.
very, very. I'm still capable to
Even the ogili even smelling good.
Yes, yes. Okay, we show what But now, everyone knows.
Everyone move on. You got food, okay?
This is
You get it by your right.
Wow!
this is this what they call prawn?
It's crab, you know it's crab,
Crayfish.
crayfish, big crayfish.
No,
No,
but
there's a name for it.
there's
I
a
think
name
it
for
is-
it.
Yes. Is it shrimp?
Shrimps.
Yes, dried shrimps.
Dry shrimps.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
But we address it as Ishokotokbo.
Yes.
So this is Ishokotokbo, you guys. So what we are using for
with hand. No.
okay with hand.
Want it dry? It's
One
washed.
dry to everything.
We washed it.
I begin to. I begin to.
So grandma, what are you doing now?
I'm separating this fish to pieces that we will use to do the osan.
Okay, ma.
And it's a very big fish.
Yes, ma.
I did not expect such fish. You
Wow.
people are so marvelous.
Oh, thank
You
you,
are
grandma.
a good woman, a good cook.
Thank you, grandma.
And you bought a good fish.
Thank you, ma. So lollipops, at this point, grandma just gave me a little pieces of the fish just for tasting. The fish is very sweet and very fresh. It was pretty yummy. Okay, so cooking with grandma is always very nice and very sweet, because you'll have to learn a whole lot from them, and also you'd get to know the names of fishes, and just literally know everything that you need to know about cooking. Okay, grandmas are the best people to teach you how to cook, especially a grandma that knows how to cook, right? Are there some grandmas that don't know how to cook? I don't know, so because none of my grandmas has ever disappointed me when it comes to cooking, you guys. So you guys, look at this very fresh fish now. Let's keep watching. So lollipops, we were checking at this point to know if the yam was ready, like if it's done or ready to be pounded for the swallow. Okay, so this is grandma actually checking if the yam was ready, but no, it was not.
Start pounding this food now. After pounding, before we put the pepper and fish, every other thing on the fire.
Yeah.
Because we will not boil the soup. Yeah. Everything will be done on the ground.
I begin to. I begin to.
So at this point, lollipops, I was dumbfounding. My eyes see shege banza. To pound is not easy, This is my sister-in-law actually putting the fresh pepper into the boiling water. This water right here in this pot is actually the water that we use in pounding, like cooking the yam. Okay, so Mommy T had to add another little pepper. I don't know what they call that kind of pepper. I think it's chili pepper or so. But then those little ones in my dialect we call it ose nkpili or something like that. But yeah, so that's basically what we're doing at this point. Okay, this is that, you guys. This is the first one that is going into the pot. When it's not here,
Into the mortar.
into the mortar, mommy. That is so. Mommy, swear.
Yeah. Close the door. This one should not go into that soup. Anything that will give children.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it the fish? Did you have the fish?
I can't eat baby in my car.
begin to. I begin to.
So what is inside here that I'm pounding now is called the uziza seed and okpe. That's dawa, the round one, the round flat one. That's what is inside here now. Okay.
I'm adding crayfish.
So mommy is adding crayfish right now.
Add crayfish to it.
Yeah, we're adding crayfish to it now. So I'm going to keep pounding, but I have to be very careful because this crayfish we have to wash it first. So lollipops, you just have to keep pounding, like keep pounding till everything is literally very smooth. So right here now, Mommy T was actually helping me to bring out the fresh pepper that was boiling, and she added it to what I was already pounding. Okay, so what we have in here now is uziza seed, roasted dawa, crayfish, and the peppers. Okay, so I'll keep pounding because Mama wants the pepper to be very smooth because of the children. Okay, so I kept on pounding. Now Mommy T is actually soaking the dried shrimps. Okay, she will soak it so that, because we are not boiling it. Okay, she just has to soak it so we can end up adding it. Okay, because I don't need to pound that very well. Those are the miscellaneous in the soup, all those small things that you use ever to just press in the soup here and there. Okay, so Grandma was giving us legit gist. She Grandma told us that back in the days, like olden days, people that have a large amount of family, like families that are very huge, these are the kind of soups that they make in their family, especially those families that are polygamous. Okay, they have many children, so after pounding their food, they can just share it on this mortar, everybody on their own. They will just gather it and start eating this very delicious osani soup. You guys, osani is less time consuming, it is very delicious, you don't even need to stress, and above all, this very soup that you're seeing here brings family together. Like the love and the bond that they share when eating this soup is compared to nothing in this world. Like
Water. Take that was to take their own soup and ask the children to go around the mortar and start eating.
wow.
They will carry this food on one side.
Okay.
All of them will be eating together. That was why holding these people, they are together than nowadays. We're jealous, so they see you suffering. Yeah. After God lift you up, there will be jealousy. Your brother won't know you again, your sister won't know you again.
Yeah. Wow. I miss those days when all of us will sit down, eat together. No bad feeling at all.
Please mix it properly.
Okay, man says
Let me mix here.
so now I don't have to pound. Okay, it's just to move it around like that. I'm really as well want to do. Okay. Okay. Wow.
Like you don't have strength like that.
Okay. Mommy said I should reduce my pressure. I should be doing it as if I don't have any strength. Wow.
You say you took off to give a guy to you very well now.
Okay.
I don't show my look at there.
No, that's no money lose.
Hey.
I begin to. I begin to.
They call it castor oil. Seed.
Okay, castle oil seed. Okay, this is castle oil seed, you guys. So I'm putting it here. We're supposed to put it earlier, but we forgot. Okay, so now I'm going to use this to scatter it first at this side before I can move it into
The olden days people use it too.
Okay.
I begin to. I begin to.
Okay, you guys. I have been sweating very, very well. Good for the heart. Okay, our stuff is ready, you guys. This is the osame. So this is me and grandma. It's almost late, but we got this. So lollipops, at this point, your popular YouTuber was already digging in. Come and see kings and queens enjoying this delicious osani. I know you'll be wondering, why are they not eating in the mortar? Guys, it was late, very late. And grandma was concerned about the children. We wanted to be very comfortable. That is why we had to share for everybody to be just comfortable, you guys. We all enjoyed this wonderful, healthy, affordable meal, you guys. The children enjoyed it. They all finished their own stuff. Everybody literally finished. I enjoyed myself, you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching me always. Until next time, my lollipops, stay safe and play big. Always play big. Mwah! I love you guys. Osani.